Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. This style is a new style that I made, but I want to teach you today. Look at them. I formed the style the same way. Let's start. You need your crinoline, 2 years crinoline. You need your artificial fascinator cap. You are going to use your hook gum, your scissors, your needle and thread. What you will do is that you fold the mouth of the 2 crinoline together. You fold it together like this. Then you take your needle and thread. You tie the 2 mouths together. Then you will put the 2 crinoline mouths together and you hem it like this. See the way I'm doing it? You hem it to the end and you leave small crinoline at the mouth. Can we see it? We have tied the 2 crinoline together by hemming it. Then now the next thing you will do is that you will take your artificial fascinator cap, you place it down, then you take the crinoline, you put it on the top of your crinoline, then you tack it down. Tack it down. Tack it down. Now we see it. I've tacked it down. You raise it up. This remaining crinoline, you take your artificial paper mat, you place it under it. Under it. What you are going to do is that you will sew this remaining crinoline around this artificial cap. You sew it around it. Now let's start. Now I'm sewing it. Sew it round. We have sewed the crinoline around the cap. The next thing that you will do is that the center that you tie down, you will remove it. Then you use it to form a cone. You turn it to the back. Turn it to the back like this. And you see it. Use it to form a cone. Then you tack it. And not middle of the cap. Look at the remaining crinoline. Then you can use this one to design the back. You see it? Use it too. I cross it over the design. Look, I cross it over. Then you tack it. Now we see it. I finished sewing it. Then You now put your design. You can arrange your rows, round it, design it. You can use this design to form many shapes on your artificial car. You can use to form different shape on your artificial car. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.